Engineered Compost Systems offers the only in-vessel tunnel-type composting system developed and built in North America. This technology works well to compost challenging feedstocks. It manages cold weather environments and provides great odor capture and control. ECS offers a variety of in-vessel technologies for different climates, process goals, and site conditions. Single direction positive airflow is a simple approach which pushes ambient air up through the floor and through the compost. The control system modulates the airflow based on temperature feedback controls. All of the process air is captured in the headspace and exhausted through a biofilter. Incorporating reversing aeration can significantly speed up the process and further reduce odor. Reversing means that the airflow alternates direction between positive, or up through the floor, and negative, down through the pile and into the floor. We can control these directional changes with temperature differential or on a simple timer. Most importantly, this helps maintain a uniform temperature throughout the pile, whereas single direction airflow tends to have a cold side where the ambient air enters and a hot side where it exhausts. When we reverse, all of a sudden the cool air enters the hot side of the pile and vice versa. This minimizes the thermal gradient. Microbes compost fastest at moderately warm temperatures, so minimizing these hot and cold spots in the pile makes a big difference. For cold climates, incorporating heat recovery allows rapid composting even when outside temperatures plummet below what those microbes prefer. Heat can be recirculated within a given zone or recovered between zones. This means that if a batch of organics arrives frozen solid, we can use the heat from adjacent zones to thaw and begin composting the newest batch. Much like reversing aeration, recirculation also helps maintain a more even temperature gradient throughout the pile. Dampers allow just enough outside air to maintain adequate oxygen, around 15% or higher, for optimized composting, without overcooling the compost. With positive aeration or recirculation, ECS can provide commercially available off-the-shelf insulated and corrosion-resistant doors. With the higher pressures associated with reversing aeration, we developed a composite door stiff enough to maintain a seal during normal operating conditions. Whether a cold climate, an odor-conscious community, or a limited footprint, or even a tight budget, we can help your team identify the best tool for composting. Contact ECS today to learn more about in-vessel composting.